សម្រាប់សួរបងប្អូន Hello everyone today's Friday ថ្ងៃសុក្រចេញពីធ្វើការមកញ៉ាំការក្មួយនេះកន្លែងនេះនៅចិត្តនៅនេះ Fullerton បងប្អូន Fullerton ដល់កន្លែងចិត្តធ្វើការខ្ញុំ Fullerton Airport ចាំមកតិចចូលនេះរៀបចំនៅកន្លែងនេះ So anyway this way. Okay. You go this way. That's right here. That's my nephew right there and his wife. No? Oh, wrong way? Okay, look at that. Wrong way, you go that way. See, look at the airport. បងប្អូននេះទុំរយនៅកប៉ាល់ហោះទូគេកន្លែងនេះតែមកគេចតក្នុងនេះទៅគេចង់មកលេងអីនៅក្នុងនេះ Look at that. Interesting. Noisy, you can see I'm walking with my camera. I don't bring no stand. Hey, hi baby. This is my nephew, my brother's son, and then look like, oh my God, hi, haven't seen you. Woo! See, look at it's a helicopter that's flying. Like all the helicopter here, they're flying off right there. Oh yeah, there you go. This city of Fullerton Airport. បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាទុំរុយគេចតនៅពើក្រហមពើសពើលឿងOkay, it's over here. All right. Okay, it's right here. Okay. What's up?
Hi, Tang.
My niece. Hi. What's up, old Ford?
Where'd you come from? Did you use a helicopter?
Yeah. Did you see the helicopter lay down? I came from there. I'm the VIP, man.
Private plane?
It's only like a mile from my work.
Yeah?
Yeah, close by, yeah.
It's like noise.
Background of my family is here. Hey. Hi. Who is that? Look at who is out there. Wow, you guys look nice. Look at that. That's my brother-in-law, my sister, niece. Yeah. Uh-oh. A good thing is just a music, not copyright. បងប្អូនដើម្បីខ្ញុំបើកឡានអានេះCommonwealth នេះកន្លែងចតឡាននៅកន្លែងវាលកប៉ាល់ហោះនេះកន្លែងនេះខ្ញុំនេះលើកទី1ខ្ញុំមកនេះអត់ដែរមក It's my first time here wearing my nephew sit right here so everybody show up. That's my. What's up, buddy? Can I have one? No, I'm just kidding. You can have it. Good. Where you at?
He's a groomsman.
Oh yeah. Is that good? Is that good? Are you gonna say hi to me? Say hi. Yeah, good boy. Hi. Are you gonna say hi to me? Come on. Don't be shy anymore, okay? Come on, look.
Just say hi.
Look, look.
I don't know you, Uncle.
Hi.
I don't know David. David. No crowd say viên sùa nè.
Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Falling in love with you. Like a ready to see, darling, so it goes. Take my whole life
Would everyone please be seated? Welcome, everyone, and thank you for gathering here today to celebrate the union of Quazelle Magdarella and Jonathan Chow. It is a joyous occasion to witness two hearts coming together, surrounded by the love and support of family and friends. Today, we are not only celebrating their love, but also the uniting of their families and the beginning of a new chapter in their lives. May we take a moment to acknowledge family and friends who travel from the Philippines, Canada, Philadelphia, Seattle, and San Francisco. Quazelle and Jonathan's story is filled with serendipity and genuine connections. But before their story began, I'd like to share how I came to know each of them. I first knew Quazelle back in high school from our school rivalry and church events. However, we truly became friends in 2011, where we ended up in the same anatomy class at Cal State Long Beach. We started off sharing notes, I click her answers, and eventually pull all-nighters at the library for our final. We eventually graduated with degrees in kinesiology and both pursued careers in occupational therapy. I met Jonathan a few years later in 2015 through our mutual friend Ramon. We hit it off right away during a festival event, and from there, we found ourselves linking up after every 143 we could. Then came the summer of 2017, when I invited them both to a local soju bar in K-Town. Life took them on separate paths, but in 2022, they reconnected at a bar in Austin called Poor Choices. What started as a chance encounter quickly turned into something deeper through threads of messages and late night conversations. Their first date, over a pot of shabu shabu, made one thing very clear. Their connection and chemistry was undeniable. They have the same taste in music, which led to the spontaneous trip in Coachella in 2022, where Cazelle met Jonathan's close friends for the first time. I remember tapping through her Instagram story and catching a glimpse of Jonathan in the Coachella crowd and thinking, okay, this is serious. Since then, their relationship has been shaped by countless memories and adventures, from late-night pet emergencies at the ER, to booking a last-minute hotel in Japan after both realizing that their Airbnb was not the vibe. Through it all, they learned how to lean on each other and find strength and togetherness. One of the most special moments happened in Maya Bay, Thailand. After a long and bumpy boat ride under a golden sunset, Jonathan brought Cazelle to a quiet spot away from the crowd, and it was here that he opened his heart entirely, got down on one knee, and asked Cazelle to marry him. It was a moment both tendering and unwavering. One perfectly reflects how they moved through life together, with courage, vulnerability, and a deep commitment to the love that they share. What truly defines a relationship and will guide the life they build together is found in the quiet, everyday moments. It's the way that Jonathan instinctively reads Cazelle's emotions, offering just the amount of right words and gestures, and the way Cazelle stands by Jonathan, even on his dimmest days. There are shared moments like running errands at Costco, taking leisurely walks with Pugsy, and even the quiet ritual making a morning cup of coffee or matcha reveal a partnership that is both vibrant and nurturing, with a shared commitment to stay young at heart. Their story is a beautiful reminder that best things come in life when you least expect them, and that the strongest love is built in the little moments, through patience, understanding, and choosing each other every single day. Ready? Repeat after me. I, Cazelle Magdarella, take thee, Jonathan Chow,
Take thee, Jonathan Chow,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
forever and ever.
forever and ever.
Do you?
I do.
I didn't know she can do it.
Okay, John, are you ready?
Yes.
Repeat after me. I, Jonathan Chow,
I, Jonathan Chow,
take thee, Cazelle Magdarella,
take thee, Cazelle Magdarella,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold with this day forward,
to have and to hold with this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
forever and ever.
forever and ever.
Do you?
I do.
Have declared their intent to commit to one another as witnessed by all of us. May I please have the vows? As we are gathered here in celebration of love, we reach the sacred moment where Cazelle and Jonathan will exchange their vows, promising their hearts and lives to one another. Cazelle, if you are ready, please share your vows with Jonathan.
Jonathan, my honey, babe, my handsome girl. I didn't think I would meet my future husband when we were introduced at a bar in K-Town, nor did I think 5 years later our paths would cross again at another bar that would bring us here today. I had a hard time writing our vows because how could I possibly summarize the last 4 years we've spent together? From big moments of traveling multiple countries to singing karaoke in our living room while doing the laundry, I love how we make the simplest chores feel like a concert or a club, depending on how many glasses of wine we had. If you were to ask me years ago what I look for in a husband, you would make those qualities look mediocre, as you shared me a love that I didn't know existed. I can thank you for loving me, but instead, I thank you for showing me the love that I deserve. I never had to wonder if you loved me because I know you did, and because of that, I knew I was home. You took the expression of, I'll give you the world into another level, a level I couldn't even dream of, as you continue to give it your all to give me the world and more. I love how deeply committed you are to being a provider, not because of what it gives us, but how much you care about our future and our future family. I cannot thank God enough for letting us cross paths once again at the time that we did. I vow to support you through all our phases of life and support your dreams and be your peace. I vow to show up every day and to never stop being the best version of myself for you and our future family. I promise to always choose you. Wherever life takes us, my place will always be right next to you. I will always choose you every day, always and forever.
That was very beautiful.
Jonathan, if you're ready, please share your vows with Gazelle.
Austin, Texas, 2022. I was so nervous to talk to you after seeing you dance in your green dress. It also didn't help that you had 5 Filipino dudes in your group that were ready to get down if anyone approached or messed with you. I was so happy when you said yes to going to Coachella with me, even though you had just gone weekend 1. You met all of my friends on that trip, and everyone loved you. I introduced you to my family at family gatherings, and everyone loved you and your beautiful smile. They love how you're easy to talk to, and we're amazed how great you are with kids. What sealed the deal for me was when you were talking with my younger sister Steph, giving her advice about guys, like an older sister. That's when I knew I loved you and that our relationship could reach the moment we're at today, getting married in front of our friends and family. Since being with you, I've grown so much. You've taught me to be more patient. You've taught me to be calm and not let small things aggravate me as they used to. You taught me how to live in the moment more. You taught me not to dwell over things that have already happened, and so much more. I'm a better person because of you, and I will continue to grow to become a better man, husband to you, and father to our future children. I love you for accepting me for me. I'm not perfect. I have my flaws, and I have my good days and bad days with my business. But you stand by me and support me each and every day, even when it's hard to, because I can be a pain in the ass sometimes. A lot of times. I love you for making me feel comfortable to act dumb and playful in front of you and Bugsy. I don't act like that in front of anyone, so I knew you were the one when I was able to show that side of me to you. I love traveling with you. We visited 6 national parks in 7 countries. I can't wait to explore the rest of the world with you and grow our family in future together. I love how you are with kids, and I know you're going to be the best mom to our future children. You're beautiful, strong, and smart. Living life is so much fun with you. You are everything I want and need in a lifelong partner. I promise to love you every day, even in the moments when it's not easy. I promise to be there for you through the promise to listen to you with patience and to always be mindful of your feelings. I promise to be someone you can rely on to support you financially, physically, and emotionally. I promise to prioritize you, us, and the life we're building together. I love you. I'm so excited to begin this next chapter of our lives together as husband and wife.
Nailed it. By gifting a ring to one another, these rings, unbroken in their completion, represents the union and sanctity of this moment. As you place this ring on your partner's finger, so too do you bind these words to symbol of your promise. Jonathan, may you place the ring on Grizel's finger. Grizel, may you place this ring on Jonathan's finger. And now, we will honor a traditional Filipino cultural ceremony uniting Jonathan and Grizel and symbolizing the unity, love, and support of family and community in this marriage. May I ask the Bell sponsors to come up. This veil is placed over Jonathan and Grizel as a symbol of being clothed as one, united in love, protected in their union, and covered by the grace of marriage. Now may I ask the cord sponsors to come up. This cord, loop and cross in the middle, symbolizes two lives woven together, bound in unity, commitment, and everlasting love. Now may I have the coin sponsors come up. These coins are a symbol of prosperity and shared responsibility. Our promise to support one another, to provide, and build a life of trust, generosity, and abundance together. At this time, I'd like to invite Grizel's mom, Faye, and Jonathan's mom, Jenny, to come forward as our candle sponsors. These flames represent the love, guidance, and foundations that their family have provided, shaping the And now may I have the Bell sponsors come up to remove the veil.
Yeah.
Such a gentleman. Now, by the power vested in me by the state of California and by Providence.org, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride. It is my honor to present you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Chow!
Hello បងប្អូនឥឡូវមុនយើងចូលក្នុងឥឡូវបងប្អូនរំជួរ have some wine and beer and cocktail រំជួរ right here got a jazz player tooខ្ញុំកន្លែងខ្ញុំធ្វើការប្រហែល1ម៉ាយពីនេះទេខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងកន្លែងគេមានជប់លៀងកន្លែងនេះដែរនៅកន្លែងកប៉ាល់ហោះបលៀងកប៉ាល់ហោះនៅ Fullerton កប៉ាល់ហោះទូទៅបងប្អូនអានេះកប៉ាល់ហោះនេះដូចថាម្ចាស់មានម្ចាស់គេហ្នឹងយកមកគេជួកន្លែងនេះចតនៅនេះអមកយើងចង់ទៅណាបាត់ខ្លួនឯងគាត់មកនេះនៅកប៉ាល់ហោះហ្នឹងបងប្អូនទៅមកវិញណានោះហោទៅឃើញទេយ៉ាFrom a helicopter ride. There you go.
Give it up for Jonathan! Now give it up for the bride! Give it up for Chriselle! Now both of them, give it up for the newlyweds and Chow! Turn it up, turn it up! Sing it! Here we go, here we go! Make some noise in this room! If you got a drink, put it up in the air right now! Sing it! I like this song. Chow! Chow time! This side, you're right there, you're ready for the newlywed scream! I love it. All right, everyone. Without further ado, please direct your hope, your love, and dreams this way for the newlyweds as we do the grand entrance. First off, this is the big one. The parents of the groom, Jenny and Cho Chow! Get it. Get it. Along with Ponzi. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go Pugsy! Go Pugsy! Give it up one more time. Yeah. Give it up one more time to a wedding party.
Các bạn ôn trong chi cặp bao có cái trăm rưỡi mình nè $60 mà đón bay nè $60 person for my helicopter maximum 3 people Fullerton Airport they go to ride they get took off another 3 person so that's another couple of people wait right there gonna go again next one